Hello guys. Welcome to the last part of Godot FPS tutorial. On this video we will make the player killing other players. When we finish this video, you will have the basic knowledge about how to make a multiplayer game in Godot engine. Before we start, please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. The first thing you have to do is to make the ammo detect collisions. Open the nodes list and search for raycast. Raycast in Godot and in other game engines is a line that helps players make the objects detect collision. Game developers use raycast in FPS games like this. So, add a new raycast node and define its position and rotation values. By default, raycast in Godot isn't enabled to detect collision at first, so click the checkbox to enable that node. As you have learned, in order to make a node interacting with a script we need to set it inside a variable by using get_node function. Now we need to know when our raycast hits a player. We will use a function named is_colliding that is defined inside raycast class. This condition returns true once raycast hits a player and false when raycast haven't detected a collision yet. Once raycast detect a collision, the method get_collider returns the collision object. As you can see, we use the name of the collision object in order to check if this collider is a player. Of course, there are more advanced ways to check if this collider is a player or not. In the case of the collider as a player, then all physics processes stops working. Q_free method deletes the instance of the ammo bullet. Now, we will work the advanced way to detect if the raycast collider is player. Open player script. Initialize a variable named type and set player value inside a string. Define a function named getType and return the value of variable with name type. By using get_method function we check if the collider instance has the method getType. Optionally, I set the raycast collider inside a variable with name collider. Now, we call the method getType and if we receive player as a string value that means this bullet hits a player instance. Now initialize a new variable and name it health. Create a new method and name it damaged, and put an integer variable as a parameter. This method will decrease the health amount by the amount of the parameter there is inside the method. Once health is below 0 or 0, then the player dies. Optionally, I chose player leaving the game once he dies. For test reasons, make the player printing a message every time he got damaged. Open the script of the ammo bullet, get the collider of the raycast and call the method we have made inside player code. Now, you have to send your health amount to other players. The next step is to damage the other players. Open the script of the ammo bullet and make a variable named client in which we will put the client there is inside the player script. Send a new packet once you damage a player. Name argument as the name of the player shot the ammo bullet. Victim argument as the name of the player we damaged. In the case of packets action as damage, we check if the victim is our player. If yes, then player lose damage. The last step is to watch the other players shooting. Open the player script direct to method named shoot and send a packet every time this method executed by your player. Inside the packets manager script make the player who sent the packet load new ammo bullets. Now you can see the other players shooting. To test the game, open 2 or more game snapshots. As you can see, one player shooting and the other one watching the ammo bullets loading. If you hit the player, he loses damage and once the damage is 0 or below 0, the player leaves the game. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. Bye.